around Devon and 2016. B. Murder.
Merci beaucoup, Madame.
Thank you, Madame Court-Remond. You have just heard the reading of the charges, which are in accordance with the suspect before this court. I will summarize.
The question we repeated. I don't think he heard it. Thank you.
Evidence will be collected or presented, and the issues of Mr. Dutton of the crimes of which he is accused.
Noong mga panahon na yun, hindi ko sugat akalain na mangyayari sa kanya. Paano mangyayari yun na marid siya? Nananaban siya. Ang sakit eh. Hanggang ngayon, di ko pa matanggap. Nawala na siya.
Private jets do not drop out of the coordinated in advance. The UAE is not a state.
The first time that Duterte flashed on the screen, I got really emotional. I can totally say that I am happy, because how can I be happy knowing that the reason why I'm here in the first place and why Duterte is there on the ICC. But it also reminded me that this is the result of all the calls for justice that we did. Like,
atin ng kung ano-anong pangalan. Ngayon, Pasilito Patay, nandyan pa ang mga berto. Walang magnanakaw ng buhay at karapatan ang nakapaghahari. Ian de los Santos, Joshua Lacsamana, Carl Arnaiz, Anthony Guzman, sa ilalim ng rehimeng Duterte.
What we want to see from ICC is that Rodrigo Duterte, to pay up for his crimes against humanity, crimes against the Filipino people, for the 30,000 and more victims of extrajudicial killings, killed under his watch, killed under his command. Until now, there is no justice.